This quick guide explains how to buy shares of Haidilao International Holding. Haidilao is a global hotpot restaurant chain listed on the HKEX under ticker 06862. HK, this video is educational and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker 06862 HK to find Haidilao International Holding. Choose the listing that shows HKEX to ensure you have the correct share. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm it's Haidilao. Double-check the exchange and ticker one more time before proceeding. Click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After confirmation, your Haidilao position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the video description if you want to follow the same steps.